a vision to transform the forging industry, a will to win over the global market, a passion to perform beyond expectations. Tirupati Forge Limited, founded in the year 2012 in Rajkot, Gujarat. Tirupati Forge Limited became public limited company in the year 2017 and listed with National Stock Exchange (NSE). Tirupati Forge Limited is one of the leading manufacturers of hot and cold forging components. Our sophisticated infrastructure is laid in 157,734 square feet area in an environment-friendly manner, making it pollution-free. We produce a wide range of premium quality forged flanges, auto parts, and forged fittings in various sizes as per customers' requirement. We also manufacture pipe fittings components like welded outlet, grooved outlet, etc. and have an UL FM approval for these products. All our products are made from carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, etc. They are precise and boast of impeccable finish and performance. At Tirupati, we believe that technology is the key element for the success of any organization. Our ultra-modern production unit has an installed capacity to produce 25,000 tons per annum. The production process begins with raw material procurement from trustworthy vendors of the industry. After necessary testing, we start the cutting and keep it with a tag and color code. First comes induction eating process, followed by the process of forging. A forging shop is equipped with MPM hammer shaving various capacities, ring rolling machines and trimming presses for piercing and coining of products. A 630-ton Lasco hydraulic extrusion press with 750 kilowatt induction eating makes very unique forging component for defense and auto sectors. Only 2 companies in India have this extrusion press. Shot blasting process carried out in a machine shop which is equipped with 31 CNC machines. VTL, drilling, and grinding depending on the requirement of the product. At Tirupati, we have adopted stringent quality benchmarks at par with international standards. quality control lab is equipped with modern equipment and successfully carries out universal test, impact test, hardness test, magnetic particle test, and many more. Then the tested products goes for stamping and cleaning, automatic paint lines, laser marking machines, ultrasonic cleaning, and hydro testing machine. After the final inspection, products matching company's benchmark of quality goes for packaging and dispatch. The entire manufacturing process is backed by proper documentation and traceability until the end product, with full proof checks required as per ISO 9001-2015, IATF 16949 2016, PET AD 2000 and Canadian registration number with Tirupati brand name. This has led to the acquisition of some of the most valued clients like Mahindra, Sinova Gears, RSB Transmission, BEML, IOC, and many more. Also, our products are largely shipped to USA, Canada, Malaysia, European as well as African countries. Our Managing Director, Mr. Hitesh Bhai Patel, has always led us to achieve our vision of becoming a global leader in forging industry by becoming a synonym for customer satisfaction through quality and innovation. Our mission is to create innovative, environment-friendly products and adopt ethical corporate practices that enhance the value of stakeholders. We are a team of highly skilled and experienced workforce whose dedication and hard work puts us on the path of continuous growth. We lead with technology and talent. We endeavor for excellence and customer satisfaction. We are Tirupati Forge Limited, forging ahead for brighter tomorrow.